In this video, I'll answer the question, what is the crystal clear methodology for software development? Crystal Clear is a lightweight, agile project management approach for small teams. It's part of the Crystal family of agile methods created by software engineer Alistair Cockburn. IBM commissioned Cockburn in the early 1990s to create a flexible methodology for object-oriented projects. His research found that successful teams shared common practices, valued communication and morale, and wanted user access more than heavy process. This led Cockburn to develop his Crystal methods. This is a scaled set of different methodologies for increasingly large teams. Crystal Clear is the variant designed for the smallest teams of up to 8 people. He documented it in his 2004 book, Crystal Clear, a human-powered methodology for small teams. Crystal Clear prioritizes people and their interactions over process. It makes 2 fundamental assumptions. First, that people will improve their processes as they work together, and secondly, that every project is unique. It also anticipates that these small teams will be co-located. Instead of forcing teams to follow prescriptive processes, Crystal Clear emphasizes the need to adapt processes to the situation in the unique project that they're working on. Cockburn likened development to a game designed to stimulate creativity and collaboration rather than following a rigid workflow. Incremental delivery and the Crystal family. Crystal Clear supports incremental delivery. Teams develop usable features early, and then they improve them through a series of iterations. This allows project managers to get feedback early. It allows the team to correct errors and prevents them investing time in features that customers and users don't want or need. The Crystal family of methods is characterized largely by the scale of the team and the criticality of the project. It ranges from Crystal Clear for teams of up to 8 people to Crystal Sapphire for teams of over 200. Crystal Clear's focus on small co-located teams is based on the assumption that this will allow osmotic communication. That is, that the team, by virtue of being and working together, will communicate naturally without the need for formal rituals. The 7 priorities of a Crystal Clear project. Crystal Clear identifies 7 key priorities that contribute to project success. The first 3 are considered to be essential, with the others contributing to the effectiveness of the approach. Principle 1, frequent delivery of usable code. Teams deliver tested, working software to users frequently. This allows users to provide early feedback and allows developers to uncover and fix issues quickly. This helps with validating assumptions and making sure that the software meets users' needs. Number 2, reflective improvement. After each iteration, the team holds a short meeting to reflect on its experience of development. They consider what worked and what didn't. This helps them pinpoint problems and make adjustments as they go. Continuous reflection creates continuous learning, continuous adjustment, and continuous improvement. Number 3, osmotic communication. Information flows naturally when teams work in the same physical space. When people sit together, they overhear conversations and they can participate easily. They pick up the kind of details that don't often get mentioned in formal meetings. Osmotic communication reduces the communication overhead and gives the team more time to work on development and less need for administrative meetings. Where teams can't be co-located, they need to use the kind of tools which support regular, frequent communication. Number 4, personal safety. Crystal Clear stresses what we now call psychological safety. Team members need to feel comfortable voicing their concerns admitting mistakes and asking for help. This builds trust and fosters innovation. It also prevents small issues from escalating into major problems. As a project manager, creating an environment of psychological safety is your primary goal, particularly in a crystal clear approach. Number 5, focus. In a successful project, every team member needs to know what is expected of them and to be able to avoid constant task switching. This is wasteful of time, effort and energy, and is stressful on team members. Crystal Clear advocates limiting team members to 1 or at most 2 projects and to give them long periods of time working on one project to avoid unnecessary switching. Clear priorities help team members to maintain momentum and align all of their efforts towards clear common goals. Number 6, easy access to expert users. Direct access to users improves understanding of requirements and gets regular, rapid feedback on all changes. This helps with testing deliverables, refining features, and making sure that the products are customer or user focused. Number 7, technical environment. Crystal Clear advocates continuous integration, automated testing, proper configuration management, and frequent integration. By running tests automatically and by integrating code frequently, teams can detect and fix errors early. What are the advantages and challenges of Crystal Clear for project managers? For me, there are 5 principal benefits. First, it promotes close collaboration, rapid feedback, and customer satisfaction. Second, it promotes a positive, trust-based culture where team members feel valued. Third, it's flexible. It allows team members to adopt practices from other methodologies and to integrate them into the way they work, to adapt continuously to changes in the situation. Fourth, it also encourages frequent reflection as another way of improving processes. And finally, the lack of need for formal documentation or rigid roles allows teams to move quickly and adapt rapidly to change. But there are a couple of disadvantages to be aware of. The real success of Crystal Clear relies to a degree on co-location, and that is not always possible. Communication tools are a second best. They mean that osmotic communication is never going to be as effective as it would be for teams in the same space. And secondly, the method's flexibility may be a problem for teams who prefer a little more structure. Project managers need to make sure that scope doesn't creep and priorities remain clear and held to. As a result, Crystal Clear is best suited to smaller, lower risk projects. As team size and complexity of project increases, you'll need to move to other Crystal methodologies. These are designed to accommodate larger teams and incorporate more closely defined roles and processes. Practical implementation tips for Crystal Clear. If you are considering Crystal Clear for your team, I have a number of implementation tips for you. 1. Start with a small, co-located team. Maximise communication and collaboration with a team no bigger than 8 people. Ideally, a little smaller. 2. Encourage daily interaction. Use open workspaces and regular stand-ups to make sure that your team talk to one another. Allow them to converse during the working day, to share ideas and to ask questions of one another. 3. Foster psychological safety. Create an environment where criticism is constructive, not vindictive. It focuses on the work and not on the people. Model transparency. Encourage people to ask for help and allow team members to share their concerns without fear of blame. Number 4. Establish a robust technical environment. Implement automated testing, continuous integration, and configuration management. This will allow teams to safely integrate code multiple times each day. So number 5 is deliver frequently. Plan short integrations and release software or prototypes as often as you can. Gather feedback and adjust accordingly. And number 6, hold those reflective meetings. Schedule retrospectives at the end of every iteration. Discuss improvements and plan how to pivot accordingly. So, Crystal Clear is a powerful, lightweight methodology for small, low-stakes software development. It puts people first and tailors processes to meet the needs of the specific project. It's adaptable, collaborative, and above all, focused on the safety and morale of a small team working together. It might not fit every project, but if you want a human-centered approach that can deliver high-quality results, check out Crystal Clear. Please do give this video a like if you've learned from it or enjoyed it. I'll be making loads more great project management videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of them. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.